Alright, this is how to make a thumbnail picking out one of your frames in your YouTube video. Now, there's a few different ways to do this, and it's easiest if, and I'm in Video Manager right now, and I'm going to go one of these videos that doesn't have the custom thumbnail yet. It's giving me three choices. Let's say I don't like those choices. So if you have this custom thumbnail option, which may or may not only be available to partners, I don't know at this point. I got enough views now that I get this option. Uh, so if you don't get this option, then you're stuck choosing, trying to get something within a quarter of the way through your video, halfway through your video, or three-quarters of the way through your video approximately. You've got to stick something there. That's the best solution I know of. But if you have one of these custom thumbnail options, then the next thing you need to do is you need to go and pick out where exactly in your video you want this, which frame you want, and stop it. Just like decided that I want something right after here. Okay, I want this to be my thumbnail. So that's not one of my choices, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go full screen and wait for this to come up. Now I'm going to press print screen on my computer. So it's in the top row, should be the top row of your keyboard. Press print screen, and now I'm going to go ahead and exit the full screen. And now I've seen people say that you can do this in some kind of a paint program. That didn't come standard on my computer. What came standard on my computer was PowerPoint. So I'm going to go to PowerPoint, click in there, left click inside, then right click, and then paste. And now I've got my my thumbnail. Now I'm going to save as other formats. This isn't a PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to go to desktop, and I'm going to name it RCT3, and save type, not a PowerPoint, but a JPEG file. Saving it to my desktop, current slide only. Now I'm going to exit out of PowerPoint. I don't need to save this anymore. And there it is. That's my new thumbnail on my desktop. Now when I go back over to the YouTube video and click on custom thumbnail, I'm going to go back to my desktop and pick up, find what I just did, this RCT3, click on that, and voila, now it's an option to be my thumbnail. I'm going to save changes. I'm going to go back to my video manager. Yes, I want to leave the page. And it's one of my older ones. Look at my old ones here. And now look, I've got a new thumbnail. And it came right out of the video. Also, another option is, if you'd rather, you could go and look for another thumbnail online. I'm going to go search for something that's, see, I wanted something else that was related to RCT3. It wasn't in my video. RCT3 pics. What comes up? And look, so I want to pick this bridge. That looks pretty neat. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to right click on it. Save picture as. Go to the desktop again. I'm going to call this RCT3 2 and save it. And go back. And now I have the option to change the image. click on that, and it's on my desktop again. That's where I put it. And then I go down and look for RCT32, which is that bridge, and save the changes. Back to my video manager to see it. One of my old ones. And look, I got a bridge for a thumbnail. So again, that's if you have that option for that custom thumbnail, that button there. If you don't have that button there, then it's going to be a lot more difficult. But if you do have the button, then that's how you can. Remember, you got to press print screen when you go to full screen. Print screen, which is a button on your laptop on your keyboard, and then save it into another application. I use PowerPoint because that's all that came on my computer standard. It was easy for me to use. All right, good luck, and out.